I was watching Uncharted just now. Just I like strange things, so let me bring it up. DL. I don't see it coming up. DL. Okay, yeah, I see it. Okay, let's see. Oh, recently added to. During their vacation and blah, a wealthy German becomes entangled with a young hotel worker harboring sinister intention. Hmm, sounds interesting. Sounds like something that I would watch actually. I'm gonna put that on my list. From this pack on Netflix, as I open Netflix, there's so many like recent added videos. So I'm like scrolling and see like, you know, which one sparks my interest. For my Netflix, I was watching Queen Charlotte. Do you guys watch Bridgerton? Have you tuned in yet? If you watch Bridgerton, I implore you to watch Queen Charlotte as well. Queen Charlotte, the queen, and it's basically like telling you, giving you a back history of how she became queen and her journey, and you know what happened to the king too. So you have not watched Bridgerton as yet, Becky? You should. You should watch Bridgerton. But it depends if you're, even if you're not like, if you're not normal, if you don't normally watch those type of movies in those era, you should, you know, check it out. At least watch a couple of the first episode and see if you like it. But it's pretty cool. Hold on, I'm getting cold. Oh, it's a little bit cold. This was fun. I'm actually, I honestly, I'm surprised that um you guys are on, because I expected anybody to come on at this hour, to be honest, even though the world never sleeps, you know. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in, though. I appreciate it. I will be coming on soon because I want to continue watching Uncharted. And if I finish as in time and I'm not sleeping, I'm gonna check out Delicious as well. Yeah, thank you so much, Becky, for tuning in. I hope you'll stick around on my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and I will see you in the comments of my videos if you do comment. Or if you don't comment, you know, you can give the video a thumbs up as well. You can thumbs up this live too. I would appreciate it. Yeah, good night. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. We will do this again. For sure, for sure. We'll do this again. All right. Yeah. Anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching, and yeah, we will talk again soon. Bye bye. Now, how do I end the video? Let me see. Oh wow, you can put a green screen. You see? Oh, oh. I had no idea I could do that.